Toffee and caramel, the golden darlings of the candy world, are not just treats but a blend of science and tradition. Toffee, originally a milk-free concoction of brown sugar, glucose syrup, and butterfat, evolved with the addition of milk solids. Caramel is crafted by heating carbohydrates having slightly higher moisture content, sometimes with an alkali treatment, creating a spectrum of textures and flavors. The journey from raw ingredients to the candy in your hand is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Continuous toffee plants have revolutionized production with equipment like auto feeders, preheaters, blenders, and cookers. These machines work in unison, ensuring precision and efficiency, transforming basic ingredients into the chewy delights we adore. The alchemy of candy making lies in the balance of functional ingredients like sugar, corn syrup, fat, and milk solids. Optional elements like water, salt, flavoring, and emulsifiers are added to enhance taste and texture. Expert ratios and meticulous processing allow candy makers to create unique sensory experiences. Packaging is crucial in keeping toffee and caramel fresh and irresistible. Flexible plastic materials have become the go-to choice, offering protection against moisture, oxidation, and temperature. Materials like low-density polyethylene, high-density polyethylene, and polypropylene each play a role in ensuring these sweets stay perfect from factory to first bite. Crafting the perfect toffee and caramel is an art form, requiring a delicate balance of ingredients, precise manufacturing, and thoughtful packaging. As we unwrap these confections, let's savor not just their flavors, but the expertise and precision that make every bite possible.